In this video, I'll show you how to create a smooth cinematic flash transition between two clips using an adjustment layer and the levels effect in Premiere Pro. I've already added two clips on my timeline, and now we're ready to build the transition. First, go to your project panel, click the New Item button, and choose Adjustment Layer. Leave the default settings as they are and click OK. Now drag the adjustment layer onto the timeline, placing it above the cut between your two clips. Next, right-click the adjustment layer and choose Speed, Duration. Set the duration to 8 frames, then zoom in and position it so it's centered perfectly across the cut. Now let's add the effect. Go to the Effects panel, search for Levels, and drag it onto the adjustment layer. Move the playhead to the start of the adjustment layer and click the stopwatch icon next to White Input Level, RGB, to create your first keyframe. Move the playhead to the center of the adjustment layer and set the white input level to 0. This will create a bright flash. Then move to the end of the adjustment layer and change the value back to 255, which will return the image to normal brightness. That's it. When you play it back, you'll see a smooth flash transition that adds a cinematic touch between your clips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.